You've seen those animated talking avatars all over the internet and you're thinking, can I really make one for free right from my phone? Absolutely, and in this video, I'm breaking down the exact steps to do it choosing nothing but free apps you can download right now. By the end of this video, you won't just be watching cool content, you'll be creating it. Whether you want to use your avatar for content, business, or just for fun, this is where you start. Alright, here's where the magic begins. Open ChatGPT and click on the three lines right here in the search bar. Type consistent character and select the first one that says consistent character GPT. And then it says click here to start creating character. You're going to click on that. It's going to ask you if you want a male or female character, and you put in which character you want. I will type in female and hit the up arrow right here. It will then ask of your character's name. I'm going to name it Jessica. Then it's going to ask you for a description of your avatar. I have the description below in case you want to use mine. Make sure to add a 3D cartoon style to your description like so. Always type it first before describing your avatar. Once you are done with your description, hit on the arrow right here and it's going to give you your base prompt. Yeah, she looks amazing and just like I described. Now I want her to change her outfits and add a little life to the picture. I will put this in a 16:9 since it's for YouTube. I will go on to change her prompts till I get what I'm looking for. You can do this for as many times as you want to get the right outfit and background for your avatar. Once you get what you are looking for, you click on download. Now that you've got your character, go to Hailuo AI. This website will make your avatar talk and move like we want it to. All you do is hit the plus button here, add your photo and give it a prompt. Now this prompt is going to give her the hand gestures and mouth moving gestures. Put in this particular prompt, which I will leave in the description below. Once you are done with your description, hit on create and you are going to get this beautiful video. As you can see, her hand is moving, her head is moving, she is talking, and she looks all natural. Click on save. You can choose to save with or without watermark. For the last step, let's make her sound like you. Open the Dreamface app and click on profile. Then you click on avatars and hit the plus sign right here and select your avatar. Then click on this right here. Once it opens, click on add script. Now you can choose to type what you want your avatar to say, or you can record yourself. You can also import the sound from your files. What I normally do is I upload a recorded voiceover to make it sound more like me. I just use the voice memo on my phone to record what I want to say. You can do that as well. Once you are done, click on confirm right here and click on automate. It will take a few minutes to complete this. And just like that, you've created a fully animated talking avatar from scratch on your phone. Simple, powerful, and free. If this helped you, let me know in the comments. I'd love to see what you create. And if you're ready to keep leveling up your content, make sure to subscribe. We're just getting started.